Hello everyone, just a quick follow-up to my Bissell Crosswave Cordless video. I did mention in that video that this machine was the subject of a product recall. So as soon as I'd finished that video, I cleaned it all up. It was spotless when I boxed it back up. And I sent it back, and it went to a place called Let Me Repair UK Limited in Glasgow. It didn't go back to Bissell, it went back to this repair place. So it's come back in the original box I sent it in. So let's have a look. Apparently it said they would fit a new roller and a new filter. So what I did, because the filter looked new anyway, I took the filter out. I didn't send them a filter. I left the roller in though. So now, hopefully they fitted a new filter, so I've got a spare one. I will be selling this. I'm not keeping it. I've got another floor washer to demonstrate, so I won't need to keep this. So let's see. So this has had some sort of modification. I believe it's something to do with the batteries or the battery management system. Well, they've put in, yes, I have a new roller, so I'll put that in when I sell this. The roller fitted and this new spare, so that's good. So I put in everything, including the charging base, just in case they needed to test it. Just checking it's not been damaged, because this was basically just used once for that demo, cleaned up and then put in the box. Here it is. So they sent me a new filter. So when I sell this, I can offer a spare filter and a spare roller with it, so that'll be good for whoever buys this. On my eBay seller page, which is ibasics_emporium, in case you're interested. So I think they've sent me this is mine, yes, they haven't replaced anything. I was a bit disappointed. I was hoping I'd just get a new machine, an upgrade, but never mind. As long as this machine now works and it's not going to possibly catch fire, and there should be an indication. So if you've got one of these and you haven't had it sent back for a modification, you need to get in touch with Bissell in your country, USA, UK, wherever. So yes, I mean, this is how I don't think they've put anything new. I did send it to them pretty clean. But yes, the filter isn't in there because, as I said, I took it out on purpose. So I would definitely get a replacement. So yes, here it is, look. So if you've got one of these, you need to look for a blue dot. And the blue dot means it's had the modification. So I don't know what's happened to it, but it should work okay now. I mean, it did work before, but there, as I said, there was a small chance it could possibly have caught fire or something during the I think it was during the charging phase. So I wonder if there's any charge in the battery now. Yeah, it's got some charge. Just double check that the brushes are working. Yep. Yeah, this is definitely, yes, they haven't replaced it or done, yeah, there's still a little bit of muck from that really dirty mess test I did on it. So yes, this is definitely my machine back, but it's had the modification. So now I'm quite happy to sell this on. I will mention it's had the Bissell modification. So I've got the instructions, I've got fluid with it, and I can also sell it with a spare brush roll and a spare filter, and of course the original box. So I thought I would just, show you what happens if you send a product back for recall. Often though, you send a product back and they just send you a new one. But in this case, Bissell have had a company repair them. So, thumbs up to Bissell for highlighting the problem. But some people might not know. You might have one of these and might not know that it should go for the modification. So as I said, if you've got this Bissell Crosswave, the cordless version, and the model, let me just read out the model for you if you want to check. This one I've got is model 2582E, and there's a serial number as well. So if you're not sure if your model's affected, you can just search the internet for Bissell Crosswave Cordless recall, and you'll normally find the information you need. You'll find a link to the page, and then you can put the details in, and then if your model is affected, then Bissell will email you, give you further instructions. I thought they'd send a box. They don't send you a box. You have to find your own box. If you've got the original box, that's even better. And then you print out a return label, take it to I think it was a DPD drop-off centre. Yeah, DPD, I'm sure it was DPD. I think I took mine to an Argos, I think. Oh no, it wasn't Argos. Was it Argos? I think it was Argos, yes. But obviously it'll vary if you're watching this from the USA, because I think this recall does affect machines sold in the USA as well. So just, as I said, just a quick video. Check your Bissell Crosswave Cordless. If it looks anything like this and you've not got a little blue sticker to show it's been modified, you need to contact Bissell with your serial number and just double check that your machine doesn't need a modification. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all very soon for the next video. Bye for now.